So, good morning, y'all. Welcome to another video on the Luderco Arms channel. So, we're out here walking my daughter's dog. It is the Saturday after Black Friday. And this is a very sad video because if you look right here, you can see my Jeep is in the driveway and there's no vehicle parked next to it. And normally, our little black Chevy Colorado would be parked in the driveway because that's what my wife drives. And my daughter's little silver RAV4 would be, y'all excuse the camera spinning, I got a dog impatiently pulling here. So, this video is sad. Let me, I will cut in here and put in a video of why it's sad. So this video I'm fixing to put in happened 2 weekends ago, right after the Mike Tyson fight at 2:30 in the morning. So here we go.
That we're dealing with, unless she's had another scene. Now it's take court order. We're talking about don't go back there. I believe it.
So the people that left are not involved. Their family first.
I think she said Robert and sister.
Gotcha. Okay.
She might be there. Hey, sorry, you hear that? A and B third out.
All right. So now I'm standing up near my mailbox, and you can see from the video you just saw, the little clip, what had happened. So unfortunately, we will no longer be doing videos on the Colorado, repairs on the Colorado or the 2011 RAV4, because both of them were destroyed by a Tesla, a brand new 2025 Tesla, driven by a worthless, oxygen stealing, intoxicated, drunk piece of shit whore running from the cops. And y'all excuse me, but that's the nicest that I can put it. Trust me, it'd be a lot worse if I didn't think YouTube would shut it down. So this individual was running from the cops, drunk, missed this curve down here, and you'll see a truck right here coming around the curve. Cars miss it. This is the second time somebody's totaled their car in my yard. The first time they totaled it by hitting that cactus down there, which is surrounded by rock. This time around, she managed to miss that and come from the corner of the yard all the way through here, luckily not hitting our house, and took out both of our vehicles. And so right now I will insert some pictures of all the damage once they got her junk out of here and the insurance company came to tow our stuff out. So we'll cut to that real quick. All right, so now I'm in the bottom corner of my yard. So the first car that wrecked years ago hit this, and you can't really tell because the cactus has grown over it now, but there's a pile of riprap rock in there around that cactus, and she totaled her car doing that. But that was years ago. This incident, so you can see the road here. When I bought this house, I've lived here 26 years or so, maybe more, 26, 28. This was a dead-end road. This road dead-ended right here, and my neighbor JP was the last house on that side of the road, and I was the last house on my side of the road. And then they came in and they extended this road out, and they built another 100 houses back there, and every one of those people have to come up our road here to get in and out of the neighborhood. Now the problem is, every one of these people that bought houses back there apparently cannot drive, because they had to go around this corner right here to get back there. So I don't understand why they keep wrecking into my yard now, but needless to say, I don't like them at all. So back to 2 weekends ago, the drunk whore was coming down this road towards me just like this truck is, running from the cops. Cops were right on her tail. She came through here. Now you can see I put this little decoration here with some of her car parts, but took out this T-pole, took out this wood post. Obviously you can still see remnants of the tire tracks going into the yard. Now some of these are from the wreckers and some of them from the cops that were chasing her, but she basically came through here, and you can see where my Jeep is over there at 60 plus miles an hour. She hit the little black truck, hit it so hard that it turned it sideways and pushed it into the little silver car and totaled both of them. And then she proceeded to jump out of the Tesla, and this Tesla was brand spanking new, 2025, still had a paper tag on it. Jumps out and runs on foot up the hill here towards where my shop is. And y'all have, oh, excuse me, I have to spin around so this dog can do his business. And ran on foot up into the woods, where she, I'm sure, got poison ivy and tore up by sticker bushes and everything else. And the cops caught her up there on the next road. So basically we had every Edgefield County Sheriff's deputy that was on duty that night in our front yard, plus a couple of city cops from North Augusta, even though this is outside their purview because we live out in the county, and the highway patrol. Needless to say, it was a shit show, and I didn't get any sleep that night. Both of our cars are destroyed. So, you know, you've seen in the past, we've done videos doing repairs on the RAV4 and the Colorado. We unfortunately will not have any more of those videos. Well, actually, we'll still have 2 more videos on the Colorado, because I got one video doing the front brakes and one video doing the rear brakes, which will be coming up shortly. But that'll be it. There won't be any more because they are gone. So yeah, it's not a good thing, and if you've ever been the victim of this sort of stupidity on behalf of another person, you know that insurance companies suck ass, and if your cars get destroyed and it's not your fault, yeah, you're going to be the loser. Because, you know, that little RAV4, we bought that thing brand new. That was my wife's old car, and she drove it until my daughter turned 16, and then we gave it to her, and my wife was driving that little black truck, which I was still paying for. It was a 2020, and the deal was she was going to drive that until I got it paid off, and then I was gonna get my little black truck back, and she was gonna get a new car. So yeah, that's not gonna happen now. What what we've done is we got her, I just bought her a brand new RAV4, yeah, like 2 days ago, to replace the car. And then we've got to get my daughter a car still. But yeah, it's unfortunate. Of course, I won't be getting my truck back now, and I got another 5 years of payments to make on this new car. But there's not a whole lot we can do about that. It is what it is, and you know, that little RAV4, I repaired everything on it and kept it up, and it had over 200,000 miles on it, but it was in just as good a mechanical shape as when we bought it. But none of that matters to the insurance company. All that matters to them is it's, you know, 13 years old and has 200,000 plus miles on it, so you don't get crap for it. Oh, what can you do? I tell you, if it wasn't for other people, I'd have a pretty good life going here. Somebody else has always got to ruin stuff for you. So, but yeah, now we've got this brand new RAV4, but it's got 100,000 mile warranty, or 10-year 100,000 mile plus 6 years of maintenance. Oh, there's Cheeto the cat. And so it'll be a while before we get to do a video on it. And then we're thinking about, we're gonna buy that Highlander from my mother-in-law for my daughter, and that other car is just a rental. But yeah, it's hadn't been a good time. So if you enjoyed the videos on the RAV4 into Colorado, I'm sorry, but we won't be having any more other than the 2 that I have already recorded that I haven't posted yet for the brake job on the Colorado, which funny enough was done exactly a week before that drunk bitch destroyed it. And yeah, that's it. So I know this video probably isn't all that exciting, but I figured I'd let people know, because otherwise I'm going to get questions as to why we're not having any more videos about the repairs on RAV4s and Colorados. Luckily we still have the Jeep and all that good stuff. So we'll see y'all in the next video. Hopefully it'll be a happier video than this one. But yep, appreciate y'all watching and supporting the channel. And we'll see you in the next video, and y'all have a good one.